In this section, we will be going to look at how to create a web API project. Let's start it. First thing that I am going to do is just open the Visual Studio, and simply go to the File, New, Project. And there you will see all the installed templates. And inside this installed option, you will get a list of templates. Well, we are interested in Visual C#. So, let's expand this, and then it will ask you what kind of project you want. Well, you all know that in this course we are going to build the web API in .NET Core. So, let's select this web option. And on the right-hand side, you will see further templates associated with this web option. And you can see that in this window, we have two options. The one is for ASP.NET Core Web Application, and the other is for ASP.NET Web Application that based on .NET Framework. But this second option is only for Windows operating system. You cannot run this application on other platforms like Linux or Mac. And the first option, which is .NET Core, is for all kind of users like Windows, Linux or Mac. So, in this course we are going to work on ASP.NET Core Web Application. Simply, select this ASP.NET Core Web Application template, and just name the project to whatever the name you like. Well, I am going to name this as Quotes API. Alright, after that, you need to specify the location where you want to save this project. Well, by default, it automatically picks some location, but if you want to save this project somewhere else, you can select that as well. Now, just click this OK button, and then you will see other pop-up window, and there we have been asked that what kind of approach we want to make in ASP.NET Core application. Well, here you will have few templates like empty template, which does not have any content inside it. The other is Web API template, which basically used to create RESTful-based web APIs. And the third is Web Application template, which is used to create websites that contains web pages. There are few other templates that is not part of this course. This course is about Web API. So what I am gonna do is, I will simply select this Web API template, and then click OK button. Well, Visual Studio takes some time and it is going to make a new project for me. Alright, here we go. You can see that project has been created. In the next section, we will check the architecture of this application. See you in the next section.